Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You are the to enter. After that, we can begin the class. Dear children,
Okay.
do you have your maths notebook with you now?
Yes.
I'll tell you that time only you want to open. Now you can keep it closed.
Ma'am, 1 minute. No.
He's asking 1 minute.
Krishna,
What happened?
to take his book.
Ah,
I don't know my math notebook.
if you don't have maths notebook now, you can write a rough book and later you can copy. Don't worry. Don't go anywhere. Okay.
Okay.
Can we start?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, dear children. Today we are going to start second chapter, patterns. And dear children, I forgot to say one thing. First chapter, some practice questions are there in the workbook. Okay. So you all can try to do that. And we will be discussing the answers in some other day. And if you have any doubt when you are doing, you can ask me. You can call and ask me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to start second chapter, patterns. First standard and second standard, we have learned
Patterns.
patterns. Can anybody tell? I will just raise your hands, those who know. I will give you a chance. Can anybody say something about patterns? What is pattern? Raise your hands. I'll be giving you a chance. Oh, Bhumi want to say something? Bhumi can say. Do you know anything about patterns, Bhumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can tell.
About patterns. Shapes.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear your voice. Some problem with. Try once again. Try once again. Louder, you say. Okay. Please be loud. Okay, okay. Now, okay.
You can hear me?
Others keep quiet.
Patterns means you can hear me?
Others, please keep quiet. Let us say answer. Dear Bhumi, I think some network issue is there. That's why she's saying answer, but voice is breaking. Let Bhumi say answer. Let Bhumi say answer. Others keep quiet. Have you completed, Bhumi? Completed. Then you can say. A pattern is an. Others keep quiet.
Space.
Good, Bhumi. She is saying answer, but because of some network issue, I can't hear her answer properly. Anyway, good, Bhumi. Very good. Now,
Patterns are shapes.
without my permission, don't say answer. Okay? I'll give you a chance. That time you can say. Everybody is answering like this. Dear children, please listen. I will give you a chance. That time you can say answer. If everybody together answering, we can't, it won't be clear. Okay? So raise your hands if you want to say something. I'll be giving you chance. Is it clear to you, dear children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, those who want to say answer, Rupika. Rupika
Ma'am,
will
I
say
can
something.
answer.
I told
That is such a change.
Rupika, please unmute.
Ma'am, I said answer.
You said answer.
Yes.
Bhumi, okay, I heard Bhumi. Rupika,
Ma'am.
That is a change.
unmute, not unmute dear.
Ma'am.
Now you can say answer. Sia, wait. Hey, again white muted. Touch only one time. Okay, now it's okay. You can start. Okay.
Pattern is safe.
Again arrangement of. Good. Shapes or numbers. Okay, enough. Good. Very good. Very good, Rupika. Thank you. Next, Zia, what do you want to say? You can. Zia,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you want to say?
Answer.
You can. A pattern is an? What is pattern?
Pattern is a change space.
Sorry?
Pattern is a change space.
Sorry?
Pattern is
Uh, is there anybody to help you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, she's trying. Okay,
Pattern
good.
is an
Arrangement of shapes or numbers that follows a particular rule. Please close your textbook. Zia, please close your textbook. Please close. Okay, dear children. Many are saying patterns are. Bhumi, I heard your answer. Good. Okay, very good. Okay. We have learned last year and year before last year about patterns. So you already knows what is pattern. Then that time we have studied, but a pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. A pattern is following a rule. That's why we can predict what will come next for a pattern. What will come next for a pattern. That's why we can predict, because it follows a rule. Dear children, only in shapes and numbers patterns are there. Nowhere else?
Yes.
Preet want to say something? Do you want to say something, Preet? No, nothing. You want to say. Now anybody can tell.
I can
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
See, sit properly over there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Don't touch on your device unnecessarily, okay?
Ma'am. I can say.
Yes.
Answer.
You don't answer.
Ma'am, I can say answer.
You can say the answer if you know. Anywhere else, can you see patterns?
I can say.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can say.
Where you saw patterns?
Ma'am.
You know?
Hello, ma'am, I can say.
Okay, wait. Adit, I will give you a chance. Adit, next Adit can say. Adit.
Pattern is
Shapes and numbers.
Only shapes and numbers.
Shapes and clothes.
Clothes. Okay. Hari Govind, where you gone?
Animals.
On animals. Yes, very good. Animals. On flowers. On leaves. On birds. Birds' feathers. Like that.
All the things.
Sorry?
Materials. Yes.
Sorry.
All the things. All the things.
Not clear to me here.
All the things.
On rainbows. And not only rainbow, on rainbows.
Stars.
See, sorry.
Materials.
Materials.
Ma'am, in materials.
In many
No
materials.
material.
Many materials. Let me say after that I'll give you chance. Okay. Dear children, you can see patterns on, not only on you can see patterns on animals like zebra, tiger, and on some honeycomb and spider web. Not only if you are looking down, you can see floor tiles. There also pattern is there, and window grills, carpets, and clothes. When you children are wearing beautiful frocks or a beautiful shirt, on that many patterns are there. And on sari borders, when your mother is wearing beautiful saris, you can see beautiful borders on the saris. Not only on saris, churidars, everywhere. So almost everywhere you can see patterns. Okay, I'll show you some examples. Are you ready to see some examples?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am.
who is calling me?
Ma'am.
Please wait. I'll show you some examples for pattern.
Pillow cover.
Yes, pillow cover. Then bed sheet everywhere is there. Carpets.
Ma'am,
Yes, curtains.
Sheets.
And fruits.
On fruits, vegetables. Everywhere.
Leaves. And on calculators also.
Calculators also.
Yes.
Yes, we can see. Window grills everywhere. Dear children, now you can, I hope you all can see the screen properly. First one, patterns on carpets. The same page is there, the textbook, but please don't open now. Please don't open now. Okay? And can you see patterns on window grills like this? And nature, you can see patterns on butterfly, honeycomb, spider web. All these are beautiful patterns. Okay. Sorry? On gate, you can see. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
one more I will show you.
Window grills.
Window grills. Yes.
Ma'am, in the photo.
Sorry?
Photo. Ma'am, in the photos too. Somebody photo.
Yes, in many places you can see patterns here. Here you can see patterns on sari borders.
Yes. Yes.
Like this, many places you can see patterns.
Patterns are there.
Sorry?
In your dress also there is patterns.
Yes. And your dresses also pattern will be this. Or Ivana's dress, you can see patterns. Like that, many dresses.
Pattern.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss. Yes. Now we can discuss about what is pattern. Dear children, Pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers. Shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. Today we are going to discuss about patterns in shapes. Okay. How we can make patterns in shape, how we can complete patterns in shapes. Lines and shapes. Okay. Dear children, now I am going to show you some patterns in shapes. You don't want to copy that. You just keep your pencil down, fold your hands and see the patterns. Okay. All of you close all the books. Close your books and fold your hands. Fold your hands. No need to. Who is calling me? Any doubt?
Ma'am, today's taking the seat number one.
Sorry?
Today's taking the workbook.
No.
Today we don't want work.
So, dear children, you don't want to copy these things, just answer when I am asking. Okay? First, I'm going to show you a pattern. Don't say answer. I will be asking to that person only want to answer. To whom I am asking, they only want to say answer. I want answer from Malavika. Malavika, please unmute. Malavika.
Ma'am,
Up arrow, down arrow. Up arrow, what will come next?
up arrow. Up arrow.
Up arrow, down arrow. Up arrow. Next, what will come?
Down.
Down
Arrow.
arrow. Then, again,
Up arrow.
up arrow. Again,
Down arrow.
down arrow. Okay, good. Thank you, Malavika.
Welcome, ma'am.
Next, I'll be square, circle, square. I want answer from Vaiga. Vaiga, please unmute.
Ma'am, I mute.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I mute.
Square, circle, square. After that, what will come?
Circle.
Yes. Circle. Very good. Thank you, Vaiga. Next. Triangle. No need. Triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle. Next, I want answer from Devananda. Please unmute and say answer. Devananda.
Then
What will come? Triangle, rectangle, triangle.
rectangle.
Rectangle. What will come next?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, good. So, dear children, you don't want to copy this. Now you can take your book. I'll be giving you few questions you have to complete. Okay? You can open your notebook and you can write along with me. Okay?
Yeah.
Take new page.
Ma'am, page number.
Notebook. Maths notebook. You can take new page. And write the heading. Chapter 2.
Page number.
Dear, it's notebook.
Ma'am, what is the date?
Today's date 3/7. Chapter 2.
37.
3. Date is 3. Month is 7.
Oh, okay.
Chapter 2. Patterns.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
notebook.
In the notebook. If you don't have notebook now, you can copy to your rough book and later you can write in your maths notebook.
Ma'am, I read it.
Yes.
Now what is the date of today?
3/7. Okay. Now, dear children, you can write a pattern is a pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers, shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. You can write along with me.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is calling me?
that shapes finish then or
Or
AR.
numbers. NUMBERS.
No, numbers.
Shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule.
Or are spelling
Numbers.
OR.
NUMBERS. Wait. NUMBERS. Is it clear to you now? Okay, okay.
Ma'am, you're finished.
Okay, you write. I'll give 1 more minute. Within that, you have to complete.
Ma'am, is rough?
Sorry?
Is gone.
Yes. Now, is okay, no? Yes, particular. Yes.
Here is raining.
Oh.
Here also, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Let it rain.
Here also rain.
Now you continue.
Here
Right?
it
Right?
is
Fast.
also raining, ma'am.
Make it fast.
Here also raining. I finished.
Ma'am, I
finished.
Dear children, write fast. Those who have completed, show me a thumbs up. Okay. Adit completed. Evelyn completed. Evelyn completed. Okay. She also completed. Amna, write fast. Yes. I saw it here. I saw. Bhumi, have you completed? Not finished, okay.
Ma'am, I put a smiley.
Sorry? Have you completed?
Yes, I put a thumbs up smiley.
Okay. Dhananjay, have you completed? Okay. Show me a thumbs up. Okay. Yes. Okay, dear children. Okay. I think most of you have completed. I think most of you have completed. So I can. Dear children, now I am going to take another page. You have to do 3 questions to complete patterns. Dear children, have you completed?
Yes.
Okay. If anybody is there to complete, I will send you through WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. Numbers.
Then, dear children, you can write as continuation. Complete. 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 You can write along with me. Complete the following patterns. Continuation. Following patterns. Continuation. Following patterns. Okay? And
Yes.
first question, you have to do yourself. Please don't say answer now.
Ma'am, this right.
Yes, you can write along with me. Write answer also. Complete this pattern. And next one. 2 squares. And then 1 triangle. Again 1 square. What will come next? Next, 1 triangle. Dear children, this is oval shape.
We want to write.
Yes, dear, you have to complete also. One again triangle. Complete.
Ma'am, like this.
Sorry, dear. Now.
Like this. No, see the screen. Like this.
Can't you see the screen? Wait. Now once more I will share.
I'm like this.
Who is asking like this? Yes. Yes, you can. Yeah, down you can write. Yes, Savio. Like that you have to write.
Ma'am, like this.
Now, all of you write fast.
Am I right?
Okay, those who completed. Okay. Wait. Have you completed, dear children? Now anybody is there to complete? Malavika, what happened?
Yes.
Have you completed, Malavika?
I want to complete.
Ma'am, I have to complete.
Do fast.
Ma'am,
I will give 1 more minute. Within that, you have to complete.
ma'am. Screen. Ma'am,
Can see the screen?
How many of you can't see the screen? Those who can see the screen, raise your hands.
yes.
Amna can see the screen. Malavika can see.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Okay, others can see the screen. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Okay. So, okay.
Screen.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish.
Yes.
But few are writing, dear. Let them complete. Yupika, pass.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is
Now I hope we can discuss I hope you have completed. So I am going to discuss the answers. So dear, I am going to mute you all now. To whom I am asking, they only want to say answer. Agnivesh, please unmute Agnivesh.
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell you left lines, right lines, left lines, right lines, then
Left lines.
left,
Right
then
lines.
okay. Thank you, Agnivesh. Next, Pius Roni. Pius Roni, please unmute.
Yes. Am I mute?
Okay, Pius. Will you tell here square, triangle, square. Then what I want to draw again? Square, triangle, square. What will come next? Pius? Pius, can you hear me? Pius, can you hear me? Pius? I don't know what happened. Ivan Anthony. Ivan Anthony, please unmute. Ivan. Will you tell what will come next? Second question. Louder.
Triangle.
Is it triangle? Square, triangle. Then square.
Square.
Square. Then again. Triangle. Okay. Next, I want answer from Rupika. Please unmute Rupika. Not completed, I think. Still you now also you are writing. I can see. But say this answer for this one. Triangle, oval, triangle. Sorry? Oval. Again. Then what will come next? Triangle. Very easy. Thank you, Rupika. Dear children, if you didn't complete also, no problem. I'll be sending through WhatsApp. So you can complete it that time. And dear children, I hope you have understood how we will complete a pattern in shape.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my dear children. See you next day. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.